High-performance compressor. 1-gallon air compressor offers 1/2 HP power, 125 psi maximum pressure and quick, connect air coupler outlet with a service life of more than 1,000 hours. Powerful compression capacity to meet the needs of various industrial and commercial applications. Ultra-quiet airflow operation. Ultra-quiet air compressor uses advanced noise control technology to operate with only 60 decibels of noise, making it noiseless when used indoors, in the shop or on the job site. Multi-purpose, making it ideal for staple guns, brad nail guns, finish nail guns, airbrushes, and blow guns. Perfect for the garage. It excels at cleaning and inflating tires, beds, toys, and sport balls. Quality assurance. This portable air compressor is manufactured from Q235B steel, with components made of high-strength, corrosion and rust-resistant premium materials, and undergoes rigorous quality control and performance testing to ensure consistent performance output during continuous operation. Lightweight and convenient, weighs only 27 lbs, compact and portable, easy to move between different workplaces. The oil-free motor makes it easy to maintain and service, and it can be operated even in the cold winter.